see if one of these dudes will run me. I'm gonna pull up behind him. Are you guys running?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm running you next.
I gotta wait for the BMW to come back. I just told him for some video. So I'm gonna give him 3 cars. And a leave. And a leave too. Alright? Alright. BMW main. I'm gonna give him 3 cars and leave. Alright, so he's gonna set him out there and then I'm just gonna leave from right here, from wherever. So as soon as he goes, I'm gonna go. So I'm not gonna leave until he leaves. Wherever, I don't care.